Jitesh Kapoor and I head the operations at AAFM India. Today I have Mr. Ayush with me who has recently cleared his CWM's level 2 exam with us. So let's listen to his experience about the certification he has cleared. So Ayush, first of all, I congratulate you on clearing your Chartered Wealth Manager certification with AAFM India. How does it feel once after clearing the Chartered Designation program?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me here, and thank you very much. So it feels really a bunch of knowledge has been instilled under me. So I feel very pride in sharing that I've become a chartered wealth manager.
Wonderful. So first of all, can you just let us know your complete name, your background, your qualification, and working experience?
Yes. I am Ayush Mishra. I am a finance professional with expertise in equity markets, derivatives, and fundamental analysis. I hold certifications from NISM and CFM BSc Institute and recently achieved the Chartered Wealth Management certification, further enhancing my expertise in wealth management. My experience spans as an entrepreneur, an instructor in National Institute of Financial Markets, and a trainee in Gale.
Wonderful. From where you got to know about AFM India and why did you join the CWM certification?
So being a first generation commerce student and having an inclination towards equity markets with an urge to dive deep into the concepts and deliver the same, I went through social media and came to know about CWM course. So to attain the realistic market knowledge, not the theoretical one, I went for the CWM course after conversing with the AFM India team.
All right, wonderful. Okay, since you have cleared both level 1 and level 2 examinations with us, so what's the best thing you like the most in the program?
Uh, So clearing both the level one and level two examination of the CWM program, the aspect I appreciated the most was the program's comprehensive approach to financial planning and wealth management. The curriculum provided in-depth knowledge on diverse financial topics like risk management, estate planning, and tax planning, and equipping me with practical skills that are directly applicable to real-world scenarios. So this holistic education uh, has significantly enhanced my ability to offer well-rounded financial advice and solutions as it covers the diverse area of the financial markets.
Very well explained. Okay, Ayush, since you have taken the premium classes with us,
Mhm.
please tell us about the quality, the content of the training, and how the premium classes helped you in clearing your level 1 and level 2 examinations.
Uh, Sure, sir. The training quality was really exceptional, first of all, including experienced and helpful instructors. They provided us clear and insightful explanation of complex financial concepts. There were live classes also, and instant doubt solving helped me to understand the topics from a wider perception. The content was comprehensive and up to date. The content was covering up to date as well as the obsolete that was there, which was being accepted in the industry. So we had a really good comparison between these two subjects as well, these two processes, covering all the essential topics in depth, which I ensured was well prepared for each exam segment for level one and level two as well. Also, there were practical case studies, which made learning engaging and effective. And overall, the premium classes provided a robust foundation, enabling me to excel in the CWM examinations.
All right, wonderful. Okay, Ayush, how is CWM helping you grow personally and professionally, and how you can use this wealth management in day-to-day your day-to-day basis life?
So on a personal basis, it has deepened my understanding on financial markets, investment strategies, and wealth management principles in enhancing my analytical and decision-making skills also. So, and the professionally, the Chartered Wealth Management certification has elevated my credentials, making me more competitive in the financial industry. And it has opened up new opportunities, allowing me to take on more challenging roles and responsibilities.
Okay. So as per the answers just given by you, so why do
Mhm.
you think the CWM certification is more important to each and every individual who is going in finance field?
So it deals with the specialized knowledge in wealth management that gives a spurt to the reason as to why to opt for the Chartered Wealth Management course, while deep diving and actually understanding the meaning of jargons
Hmm.
that are industry accepted and makes you stand out. So this is the main thing.
All right. So last but not the least, any suggestions or feedback you would like to give to our new aspirants who are looking up to take up this course, or maybe who are already enrolled in the course, but yeah, will get motivated after listening to your
Mhm.
experience. After, like, any suggestions or advice you would like to give?
Yes, CWM is surely a budding career, which is spreading its arm by capturing the parameters of trades required in the finance. Also, a driving force to choose the chartered wealth management is its acceptance in the markets. And various organizations are doing partnerships in the wealth management sector as well. So it is being accepted widely, and gradually it's spreading its arm. So these are the two reasons and two suggestions as well.
Wonderful. So Ayush, thank you for joining the session. It was wonderful talking to you, and what it was great, actually great listening to your entire experience. I hope this will definitely motivate our new aspirant, and already the people who have already give up the certification will definitely motivate and will get back in completing the certification. Thank you once again for joining and sharing your knowledge and experience with us. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, and keep
Thank you,
associated
sir.
with AFM only.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
for having me. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.